Hello everybody. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here I will show you how to customize the Zendesk Help Center. Let's jump right into the core of today's discussion. Imagine having a help center that not only answers your customers' queries, but also reflects your brand's unique identity. Customizing your Zendesk Help Center is crucial for aligning it with your company's brand and significantly enhancing the overall user experience for your customers. The best part? This entire process can be accomplished in about 5 minutes. Let's dive deep into making your Zendesk Help Center stand out and truly resonate with your brand. To start off, the first thing we need to do is navigate to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, you'll see a sign-in button. Go ahead and click on it. Depending on the redirect, you might need to click Sign In once more. Now, this is where you type in your email address and password. After you've entered your credentials, you can either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Sign In button to access your Zendesk dashboard. Now that we're successfully logged in, it's time to locate the Zendesk products icon. You'll typically find this icon in the upper right corner of the screen. A quick click on it will reveal various Zendesk offerings. We're particularly interested in the Guide option because this is Zendesk's knowledge management solution, where all the magic happens with your Help Center. So let's click on Guide to move forward. After clicking on Guide, you'll be taken to a general overview page. This is where we need to access the backend, or the admin part of the guide. Look for and click on Guide Admin. This is where the customization magic starts to unfold. Now that we're in the admin section, it's time to tailor the appearance of your Zendesk Help Center. Look for the Customize Design option. This is where Zendesk gives you the freedom to modify everything from colors to layouts, allowing you to make your Help Center look exactly how you envision it. Here's where it gets really exciting. Zendesk not only allows you to tweak the existing design, but you can also add entirely new themes. To do this, click on Add Theme. This option lets you browse through your current themes while considering what new look you want for your Help Center. Now let's move on to the fun part, selecting a new theme. Click on Add Marketplace Theme. This will take you to a collection of themes crafted by Zendesk and the broader community. It's like a treasure trove of design possibilities. So take your time to select one that aligns perfectly with your visual identity and functional needs. Once you've found a theme that catches your eye, excellent choice. It's time to add it to your Help Center. Each theme in the marketplace comes with an install option. Click it to seamlessly integrate the theme into your Help Center. Just like that, you've embarked on a journey to customize your Zendesk Help Center to make it truly yours. Remember, a well-designed Help Center is an extension of your brand and greatly enhances your customer's experience. The steps we've gone through are just the beginning. Feel free to explore further, experiment with different themes, and make adjustments as you see fit. The goal here isn't just about making your Help Center look appealing. It's also about making information easily accessible, helping your customers get the answers they need efficiently. So take this foundation and build upon it, keeping both aesthetics and functionality in mind. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to customize the Zendesk Help Center. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and tips like this.